Judge under investigation accused of trading sexual favors for lighter sentences. Judge Timothy Parker's courtroom is in Eureka Springs, and that is where 4029's Megan Key joining us live tonight. Megan, what's the latest?
Kelly, former Carroll County District Court Judge Timothy Parker resigned the day his term expired on December 31st. And in this letter, he admits to misusing his power to benefit multiple defendants. Parker took office back in June of 2013 after serving as municipal court judge for Eureka Springs from 1999 to 2004. Today, the Judicial Discipline and Disability Commission announced Parker's resignation and removal from the Carroll County District Court. In the letter of removal, Parker admits to lowering bail settings and even releasing defendants without bail because they were either his friends or former clients. In the letter, Parker also admits to driving a defendant home from jail.
The Judicial Commission had determined that the judge had conducted a probable cause hearing and later, had released the person on their own recognizance, so no bond, and then had given that person a ride home in his vehicle, the judge's vehicle.
Eureka Springs Police Department reports that most of the cases Parker ruled over were misdemeanors, such as DWIs or drug possession cases. Officers don't believe Parker's misconduct will affect any of his past cases.
The state would have been the one that would have been wronged if anything was done, so I don't think it's going to cause anybody to reopen a case. I don't think there was any case of an innocent person being found guilty for a crime.
In the letter, the Judicial Discipline and Disability Commission also states allegations against Parker, which he denies, such as trading cash and prescription pills for sexual favors. The commission also claims to have video statements from more than a dozen women and printouts of text message conversations between Parker and female defendants. I tried to talk to Parker myself at his law firm in Eureka Springs, but he did not come to the door or answer his phone when I called. As a part of Parker's resignation, he won't be able to serve as a judge in any capacity here in the state of Arkansas. Live in Carroll County, Megan Key, 4029 News.